disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just want to show you these straps. I've used these several times now, and man, these are some really good straps. They're like twice as thick as the normal tie downs that you buy. They're made by SRT. That's the name right down here, SRT. And they are just extremely heavy duty. I don't use ratchet strap. I've never cared for ratchet straps. I use the pull type straps. You know, you see the buckle is even twice as wide. And of course it's got the loop that goes up around your handlebar, so you're not going to damage anything. And then you hook the loop here. And then down here, the coolest part is it has this carabiner. And I mean, it's a big heavy dude. So it snaps in, and then when you, I've had bikes that when you tilt, that your tie down will slack, and when it does, your hook can come unhooked. With this carabiner snapped on there, it can't come unhooked. And it's really heavy. So these things are pretty dang cool. I'm gonna post a link on Amazon to where you can get these, because I think everybody should have some of these. I got these two, and I'm gonna order 2 more today, so I'll have another set of them because they just work really good. Thank you all for watching. Catch you on the next one. Right on.